Get ready with me with all Youthforia makeup. I'm first using the Pregame primer. I love using this after my skincare just to protect my skincare and also giving a good base before my tint. I'm using the new Youthforia Skin Tint Serum Foundation. I'm first using the shade 310 and then I'm applying in the inner parts of my face just to give a little bit more brightness. And I'm just pushing it in with my makeup sponge. And wow, look at my skin. It's literally your skin, but better. I really can't even detect that I have this on, which blows my mind, and it has enough coverage to cover any discoloration or anywhere that I want a little bit more brightness. Now I'm going with the shade 330 on the perimeter of my face, just pushing it with the sponge as well, just to give a little bit more dimension on my face, and it just melts into the skin so beautifully. I'm truly obsessed with this new skin tint. Now I'm going to go in with Youthforia Tinted Blush Oil in But Tonight. I'm going to use this as like a blush slash contour shade. It's a little bit deeper, has like a more Marrakesh type of tone, and I'm just obsessed because it just gives me a little bit more structure to the face. Now I'm going with Youthforia BYO Color Changing Blush Oil. I love this one. I'm just patting it in with a brush and just gives me a beautiful flush to give me a healthy glow. And then now I'm going with the BYO Tinted Blush Oil and But Tonight on the lip. It's just such a beautiful fall color. And I'm going to set this makeup with a Pregame setting spray for a final finish. And oh my gosh, the skin looks amazing.